Okay, palatakan po natin yung Makati. Okay. Yung ano po, yung original CD. Yun po ay version, CRC version po. Okay. Pero po, they did very well. Yan po, Ate Tinay. Okay. Hindi po tayo tapos. We have another special number coming from Makati Mother Church. Yung mga kabataan, ito sabihin ko, kilala nyo, ano yung mga Jonas Brothers? Mga kabataan? Okay. Meron din po tayo sa church natin na gano'n. Ang tawag sila ay Muyar Brothers. Okay. So, palakpakan po natin, Ron Ron and Muy Muy Muyar. Sila po ay duet, hindi po trio, duet. Microphone.
Yan na yung ano ni Bong. Yung manok ni Bong, yan na. Yung manok ko, hindi na mag-practice eh. Si Bong yan, tsaka si Inoy yun.
So many races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad, but others laugh. Some people don't know better how. Others scream, but others curse. And others want to have a big black purse. Some are poor, and some are broke. Some are sober, and some are wasted. Some are rich because of faith. Some are polluted, no food on their plate. Some got out, but others play. Some are fat and stout, but some are thin. Some are friends, and some are foes. Some have some, but some have more. Yeah. All creations worship you. All creation be worship you. Take a ride. Give a song. Every knee shall bow to your throne. Every tongue shall proclaim praises to your wonderful God. Some are time and contemplate. Others walk, but others run. You can talk peace and have a gun. It's like to cry. But ask me how, but ask me why. Some are friends, and some are fools. Some are some, and some are not fools. All creations worship you. Praises to the wonderful Lord. Wonderful Lord. Praises to the wonderful Lord.
Ayos, yari sa mga magulang mo. Ito ang original.
Moy at kay Ron Ron? Isa lang ang score namin. More! More ba? More ba? More! So, bigyan namin kayo ng mga 5 minutes para mag-prepare. And then we will call you once again or another. Pero po ngayon daw ay kailangan kompleto na. Kasi family po, di ba? Kasi kung magaling ang talento nila, una sa Panginoon yun. Di ba? Ang talento talagang God-given talent. Pero po, syempre, yun po ay trained, supported by their parents. So, sana kasama si Ate Inoy at si Kuya Bong mamaya. Okay, mamaya ang 5 minutes yan ha. Okay, so ngayon po, patuloy po natin ang rapport natin.